Hello hackers, if you are deciding to get your hands dirty in this field, then you must have already heard about Kali Linux. So, the question arises is why Kali Linux? And is there no other operating systems or Linux distributions that hackers use? In this video, I am going to answer all of these questions. So first of all, welcome to our YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then do it now because we are going to learn almost everything about hacking in our journey. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution. The presence of a plethora of tools that come pre-installed with Kali transforms it into an ethical hacker's Swiss knife. Many hackers use Kali Linux, but it is not only operating system used by hackers. There are also other Linux distributions such as Backbox, Parrot operating system, Black Arch, Bugtrack, etc. are used by hackers. Now, let's see some of the qualities of Kali Linux. First, Kali Linux has been and will always be free to use. Second, Kali, being a member of the Linux family, follows the widely appreciated open source model. Their development tree is publicly viewable on Git and all of the code is available for your tweaking purposes. Third, it comes with over 600 different penetration testing and security analytics related tools. Last but not least, it is completely customizable. The developers at Offensive Security understand that not everyone will agree with their design model, so they have made it as easy as possible for the adventurous user to customize Kali Linux to their liking, all the way down to the kernel. Now, how to install it in our personal computer? Installing Kali is a piece of cake. All you have to make sure is that you have compatible hardware. Kali is supported on i3, 8, 6, AMD 64 and ARM platforms. The hardware requirements are minimal, like 20 GB of disk space and 1 GB of RAM, although better hardware will naturally provide better performance. For step-by-step installation guide, I am attaching the link in description, or you can also DM me on Instagram. My handle is @TrickyHash. So, that's it for today. Make sure to turn the notifications on. Thanks for watching.